Hello, friends. In this episode, I want to talk briefly about various aspects of money and finance. Uh, uh, I would start with basically about beginners. Uh, uh, Specialized funds are sectors specific and they target a particular segment like pharmaceuticals, technology, like ETF, like that. They are targeting a particular market, and I would talk about specialized investment funds, which is a new feature and new product which has been accepted, and it's on the pipeline, and it requires around 10 lakhs to invest, and it is basically catering for the millennials and centennials, that means Gen Y and Gen Z, who are ambitious, who have the ability to take risk. They can go for this specialized investment funds. These specialized investment funds are somewhat like in between, in the sense above this specialized investment funds we find portfolio management services. It's basically for high net individuals and who have wealth. They can go for it, and it's done by specialized investors. Those who are very rich, who can't manage, they can go for this PMS, portfolio management services. And the lowest one is mutual funds, where anyone can invest in mutual funds, which is an indirect way of investing into money. These mutual funds, again, there are various types like uh, uh, mid cap, small cap, large cap, then again flexi cap, thematic funds, like that. So many funds, so many features are prevailing, and traditionally mutual funds are followed by many people, because those are into 9 to 5 they work, they can invest into mutual funds. So this is about this mutual funds. Then in this also SIP means systematic investment plan, then lump sum. So systematic investment, SIP is ideal for the people, so that they can average and they can get the returns. And more than this, you can go for lump sum into mutual funds. In the long run, you get more money from lump sum than in this SIP. So I have already done some research, because I am a researcher and a philosopher and investor and educator. So I believe that in the long term, a lump sum investment in mutual funds is ideal. Uh, when you go for lump sum, what happens? You can use for education or for marriage purposes, various aspects you can do it. So that's one aspect of SIP. Then again, lump sum. Uh, so these are all the aspects about money and finance. People also go for ETF, exchange traded funds, like gold, silver. So many innovative features and products are coming up in India and across the world. It all depends upon the individual and his their risk appetite. So these are all the basic things I explained. PMS means portfolio management services. The second is uh, specialized investment funds. The third is mutual funds. These are all the aspects. Apart from this, I would like to share with you some ideas and some ideas and investments on money and investments. So equity is better in the long run. So you can go for 80% equity, 20% debt. Then again, it depends upon the individual, and avoid going for short selling. If you go for a short selling, it's very difficult and it's a very dangerous one. Those are experts; they can go for it, but still, it's very challenging. And this particular aspect, again, I am circling back to this specialized investment funds. There is a possibility of short selling, uh, and especially this Gen Z, they can go for it. But this product is a new one, which is yet to be tried and tested, and in the long run, there may be more takers for the specialized investment funds. So. So it all depends upon how you want to go about, and long selling and short selling. Short selling is, as I said, it's very challenging and a dangerous game. It's only for professionals, but even the professionals also make big mistakes and they lose their heavy money. So go for long selling, and in that also then again don't become a trader, uh, become an investor, because when you invest into stock market and wait with patience, you can get decent returns, and you can lead your life peacefully. These things you can do it apart from the routine work you are doing. But when you want to become a professional player, then you need to have your own research team, and then again you have to track everything, then you have to go for it. So when you look at Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, they invest and they do research and they track, and then they take feedback, then again they keep moving forward. For instance, Apple, it is successful, and apart from this, we should sit on the cash, because if there is any opportunity, then you can, when the market is down, you can invest. So it all depends upon the individual's risk appetite and how they want to move forward. It also depends upon the passion and vision of the individuals. So these are all the aspects I am sharing with you, and let me share with you my challenge that I had a brain stroke in the year of 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology. Life is all about challenges, and embrace challenges, embrace failures, embrace technology, embrace vulnerability. So these are all the messages I am sharing with you, because I am basically an educator, and I published 55 books, and I published more than 300 research papers, and I published more than 1,000 articles, and I was a regular contributor for Entrepreneur magazine, very renowned one. Then apart from that, I serve on the editorial boards of DLO of Emerald and JVPL of USA. So lots of things I am doing, but unfortunately this brain stroke hampered, and I am not able to type with my right hand. I am not able to eat with my right hand. So lots of challenges. And I was born into a toxic family and grew up in toxic environments. So life is all about challenges, and keep moving and keep rocking. And I request you to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel with gratitude.